Today I'm going to be working with the limited snowflake decor mold that scrapbook.com carries. That is the only place that you can find this one. I'm going to be using fast cast resin for this, and on this part what I'm doing is I am mixing equal parts of part A and part B. That way we have our resin. I'm going to mix it up really well, and then I'm going to pour it into our mold and allow it to sit for about 15 minutes so that it can harden. You can tell that the fast cast resin is starting to set because it starts turning white. This is actually the white fast cast resin. Once the resin has set, it will be easy to pop these out of the molds. You don't need to put anything in the molds prior to pouring resin in there. They will pop right out easily. I ended up painting these with a gold metallic and a silver metallic. You can paint them with whatever you want. I did leave a few of them white. So once I was done painting them, I actually used fake snow and put them in my oversized plastic Christmas ornaments that I had bought. And once I put my fake snow in there, I put my snowflakes on there once they dried and I mixed them up. And so now it looks like a snow globe that has fake snow and has little snowflakes on it. And these are super cute little Christmas ornaments. It doesn't take any time at all. It takes about, an hour to make them.